turn to page 263, example 1. So this is example of the linear factor. So integrate x minus 5 over x squared minus 2x minus 8 of the dx. So what is the first step? You have to decompose. So before you try to decompose, we need to factorize our denominator completely. Therefore, we have x minus 5 over x minus 4 x plus 2 of the dx. So we have x minus 5 over x minus 4 x plus 2. So this is in form of linear factor. Therefore, it should be in general a over x minus 4 plus with the b over x plus 2. Okay, then find out the common denominator should be both factor x plus 2 and x minus 4. So a here and then x plus 2 plus with the b x minus 4. Okay, then we try to equate our numerator terms. X plus 2 plus with the b x minus 4. So it is actually equivalent to x minus 5. Okay, you need to expand this term first. X plus 2a plus bx minus 4b. So it is actually equivalent to x minus 5. Then we put the term with the x together. A plus b x plus 2a minus 4b is actually equivalent to x minus 5. Then you can equate a plus b here is equivalent to 1. So a plus b is actually equivalent to 1, and then 2a minus 4b is actually equivalent to negative 5. So for this part is actually equivalent to negative 5. For the first part is actually equivalent to 1. Therefore, a is equivalent to 1 minus b. And then you can simplify these terms here to a minus 4b, or you can just let this one as the first equation, this one as a second equation. So substitute 1 into 2. So 2a, so your a is 1 minus b, minus 4b is actually equivalent to negative 5. Therefore, 2 minus 2b minus 4b is actually equivalent to negative 5. So 6b, negative 6b is actually equivalent to negative 7. Therefore, b is equivalent to 7 over 6. A is 1 minus 7 over 6. Therefore, a is equivalent to negative 1 over 6. So this one is actually equivalent to negative 1 over 6. So your 6, we can put it in denominator. X minus 4, and then plus with the b. So your b is 7 over 6. So 7 over 6x plus 2. Okay, so what is the question? Actually, the question asks you to integrate this one. So you can integrate easily after you decompose your function. So you will have like this. Okay, let us rewrite here. So actually, you just need to integrate x minus 5 over x minus 4 times with the x plus 2. So after you decompose, you will get negative 1 over 6x minus 4, and then we have plus with the, so this one is dx, plus with the 7 over 6x plus 2 of the dx. So you integrate both, so you will get negative 1 over 6 ln x minus 4 plus with the 7 over 6 ln x plus 2 and plus c. So this is your final answer. Okay, look at to the example 2. It is in form of repeated linear factor. So integrate this definite integral from 0 until 1. So this is rational function. So of course you need to check whether it is proper or improper. So the degree of your numerator is less than the degree of your denominator. So you don't need to apply long division for this question. Okay, so you can directly decompose our rational function. So 2x plus 3 over x plus 1 power of 2. It is repeated linear factor. Therefore, a over x plus 1 plus with the b over x plus 1 squared. X plus 1 squared here. So this one is a. X plus 1 for the b is just plus b. Then equate both sides. So we have a x plus 1 plus b is actually equivalent to 2x plus 3. So therefore, ax plus a plus b is actually equivalent to 2x plus 3. Therefore, a is equivalent to 2. And then for the second part, a plus b is actually equivalent to 3. So since a is equivalent to 2, so 2 plus b is equivalent to 3. Therefore, your b is equivalent to 1. After you try to decompose, so you can rewrite as 2 over x plus 1 and then plus with the b, your b is 1 over x plus 1 power of 2. So we have here our question is from 0 until 1, 2x plus 3 over x plus 1 power of 2 of the dx. So when you decompose, so you will get here 0, 1. So it should be 2 over x plus 1 dx. So plus with the 0 until 1, 1 over x plus 1 squared. Okay, actually, you can put the constant in front before you integrate, or you can integrate directly. It's up to you. So 2, 0 until 1, 1 over x plus 1 of the dx plus with the, so for the second part here, we can put as x plus 1 power of negative 2 the dx. Then integrate as usual, you will get 2 ln x plus 1 here, and then plus with the, so you integrate this part, so you will get x plus 1 power of negative 1 over negative 1, and then everything, the limit is from 0 until 1. Then you just rearrange back, so 2 ln x plus 1 and then minus with 1 over x plus 1 and then 0 until 1. Then substitute the limit here, so you will get, so 2 ln, so you substitute x is equivalent to 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2, so 2 ln 2 minus with, so 1 over x plus 1, so you will get minus with 1 over 2, then minus with the, so substitute x is equivalent to 0, so you will get 2 ln 1 minus with 1 here, then 2 ln 1 is 0, and then negative 1 over 2, you plus with 1, so you will get positive 1 over 2. So what left is only 2 ln 2 plus with 1 over 2. So this one is your final answer.